Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in this video we will discuss how you can control the backup and restore behavior on the error. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and after subscribing to my channel, click on the bell notification icon, select all notifications to get all notifications regarding all my future videos. There are some points to remember. So I would request you guys to please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept. And if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice to gain better understanding. Perform the exercises. Perform the exercises in your lab environment whenever possible. And we would like to know your thoughts regarding our video, so please share your comments. Now let's go back to our topic, which is how you can control the backup and restore behavior on getting the error messages. Let's go back to notes. So here we will cover two demos. One demo is using the SQL Server Management Studio, how you can control during the backup. And second option is to use transact SQL to control the behavior. Let's go to SQL Server. I'm connected to a default instance of SQL Server, connected to worldwide importers database. Let's check how you can specify the backup and restore behavior at the GUI level. So when you go to task and backup, while checking the backup, let's see if we see any option to specify the behavior on the errors. So let's check under media section. So there's an option under the reliability section which is continue an error. So while performing any backup, if for example or for instance an error occurs, if this option is not checked, the backup will stop immediately. Checking this option ensures that even though error occurs during backup, it will continue taking the backup of the database. So you can check this option for that. Similarly, for restores, there's an option to continue restoring the database even though there is an error during the restore. So that comes under the option. Let's see if we have a reliability section. Okay, it does not have under restore options the tail log backup, and let's see under files, no option under files. The GUI mode is not showing many options to continue restore on the error messages. We'll come back to this later, but let's move forward to the transact SQL mode. I will show you how you can specify these particular options. So let's close this and trigger up a new query. Let me once again see if there is any option to continue after error under the restore section. So let me see for files and file group, it does give this option, not allowing me to take to that page. Let's check under database. I never saw that option, that continue an error. So don't see any option right now, but yeah, let's talk about the transact SQL. So let's see how. Let me show you an example where you can take backup of this database, worldwide importers. We'll take a full database backup. So write the SQL along with me. So in order to take backup of the database, we are using backup database statement, and the database we want to backup is wide world importer database importers, and we want to take backup to disk, and we'll specify the location, the usual backup locations. So go to the default backup location of SQL Server, which is program files, Microsoft, not Microsoft Office, but SQL Server. Your instance, MySQL folder, backup folder. This is the default backup location. So take that location, put that in, and specify the name of the file. So name of the file would be wide world importers full backup dot back. This is the name of the file we are specifying, and we want to take backup with checksum, so we are using checksum option here, and we are continuing after. So you need to specify this clause continue after error. If we want to continue backup in case any error occurs. So let's execute this statement so that backup should occur here. So let's do that. So it has taken the full backup here, and this is the file which is created right now. Now let me show you how you can restore the backup in case you want to continue restoring in case the error occurs during the restore operation. So in order to do that, first select the master database. So let's do restore database worldwide importers or wide world importers, and want to import it from disk. So specify the same location, the name of the file. So name of the file is specified. We want to restore along with the checksum, and what we want to do, we want to continue after error. So the same keyword can be used here as well in case we want to continue the restore after the error message. So here I'm restoring the database worldwide importers. Let's see how it restores. So the statement saying that database is in use, so therefore it is not able to restore the database. So let me copy these statements and close the window. Now the database doesn't look like the database is in use. So let's trigger a new query and select master as the database. Let's paste these queries and try to run the next query. Let's see this time if it again gives us the same error message. So guys, we again got in the same error messages. We need to see which particular process is using the worldwide importers database. So let's do SP who is active. If it's available in this system. I don't think so. So let's execute sp underscore who2, which should be available. This statement shows us what all connections are opened or what all transactions are running. So here we will try to locate the database name Northwind. So there's a sleeping process. ID 51 is being used by worldwide importers. Many other background processes are also running. Let's kill the 51 SPID and see. So in order to do that, I'm doing kill 51 to kill the 51 ID to see if it clears the usage of Northwind database. So yeah, now I see it's clear. The sleeping process was using the Northwind database. Now I will execute this restore statement, which in turn will restore the database. So I've executed it. Let's see if we still have any connections to a database, worldwide importers. So you see it is restored now, and if any error comes during the restoration operation, it will continue even though upon getting the error. The default behavior is to stop immediately after the error in case any error occurs, but using this statement will cause it to continue even though the error occurs. Alright, I I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for spending time on this video. Please click on the like button if you really like this video. Also subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button at the bottom. Select the all notification icons after clicking the bell icon to get notifications regarding all my future videos. Please share this video with your friends in case you feel it is useful for them. Thank you so much once again for your time on this video. You have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.